You open the Impulse Brain Training app, ready to sharpen your memory, boost concentration, and finally fix that feeling of mental fog that hits you during work or school. You start a quick puzzle, the animations look smooth, the challenges feel fun, but after a few sessions you begin wondering, is this app actually improving my brain, or is it just another flashy puzzle game? Welcome to GigaBits, where we review the apps people actually rely on to learn, grow, and improve their lives. Today we're diving into Impulse, one of the most downloaded brain training apps of 2026. But does it really strengthen your cognitive skills, or is it just selling the idea of improvement? I tested Impulse for 12 days straight across iPhone and iPad, completing over 200 levels of puzzles, daily challenges, IQ tests, memory routines, and concentration training. I also tested the premium version to see what the real value is beyond the limited free content. To evaluate accuracy, I compared Impulse with other brain training apps like Lumosity, Elevate, and Neuronation. I also examined scientific studies on whether mobile brain games lead to real cognitive improvement beyond the app itself. After finishing my tests, I gained a clear picture of what Impulse does well and where it might be overselling its claims. Impulse advertises itself as a neuroscience-inspired cognitive trainer that improves memory, focus, problem-solving, mental speed, and logical reasoning. They promote customized daily training plans and scientifically designed puzzles. They also highlight mood trackers, brain tests, and even meditation content. But here's the real question. Does Impulse truly create long-lasting cognitive improvement, or does it mainly improve your ability to play the app itself? Step 1. Puzzle quality and cognitive challenge. The games are well designed, visually clear, and genuinely engaging. Many exercises do challenge working memory, attention, and pattern recognition. For users wanting mental stimulation, it absolutely delivers. Step 2. Scientific validity. This is where expectations need adjusting. Brain games can improve specific cognitive tasks, but research shows these improvements mostly stay within the app's environment rather than carrying over to daily life. Impulse doesn't break this pattern, but no brain app truly does. Step 3. Personalization and difficulty. Scaling. Impulse adapts difficulty quickly. If you perform well in memory tasks, it increases the complexity within a few sessions. This keeps users challenged without overwhelming beginners. Step 4. Tests, assessments, and accuracy. The app includes IQ-style tests and cognitive assessments. They're fun and motivating, but they should not be taken as official psychological measurements. They're better described as engaging self-tests rather than scientific diagnostics. Step 5. Extra features, meditation and mood tracking. The breathing exercises and mood logs are surprisingly useful. They help create a more holistic routine rather than pure gaming, but they're basic compared to dedicated meditation apps. Step 6. Subscription model. Here's the biggest concern. The app pushes users aggressively toward buying premium. Many features are locked, and the paywall appears frequently. The yearly subscription isn't cheap, and the free version offers very limited long-term use. So is Impulse worth trying in 2026? Pros: fun, engaging puzzles that genuinely challenge the brain. Clean, modern interface with smooth animations. Effective difficulty progression keeps sessions interesting. Good variety, logic, math, memory, concentration, and creativity. Bonus features like meditation and mood tracking add value. Cons: improvements often stay within the app, limited real-world transfer, overuse of pop-ups pushing users to subscribe, free version lacks depth and replayability, assessments shouldn't be treated as scientific or diagnostic, premium is somewhat expensive for what it offers. Bottom line, Impulse is a great brain training app if you enjoy puzzles and want daily cognitive exercise. It can absolutely help you stay mentally sharp, improve focus over short sessions, and create a healthy brain routine. But if you're expecting major life-changing cognitive transformation backed by neuroscience, that's not what any mobile app, including Impulse, can promise. Use it for fun mental workouts, not as a scientific brain upgrade system. If this review helped you decide whether Impulse is worth trying, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits, where we break down the apps you actually care about every single week. Let me know in the comments, what mental skill do you want to improve most? Memory, focus, or problem solving? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we keep your apps, tools, and tech honest.